Our embassy is in touch with all Indian nationals who are spread out in different places in the affected areas. There are these 46 nurses where yesterday our embassy had requested the Red Crescent to contact them and provide them assistance. This was done. There are also reports which have been brought to the notice of our embassy that there are 40 Indian nationals in Mosul. Despite our best efforts, at this stage we haven't been able to contact them, so they remain uncontactable at this stage. Beyond that, I am not able to confirm or verify reports of a speculative nature. Nevertheless, our embassy is regularly in touch with all Indian nationals in this regard, and we have decided to strengthen the embassy by sending a seasoned Indian diplomat, Mr. Suresh Reddy, who will travel today to Baghdad to assist the embassy in its efforts. Since he was our ambassador there previously, he is well versed and knowledgeable about the area, and this is to strengthen and enhance our effectiveness in that region.
Okay, in fact, let's get in more details from Bilal, who's tracking the story for us. Bilal, what do we know about these 40 Indians who are stranded? And in fact, we've just heard from the MEA, who's not confirming any reports of abduction yet.
See, Deepthi, there are two versions to this story. One is, of course, coming from media reports that suggest that 40 Indians have, in fact, been abducted while they were being evacuated from where they were. Now, that's the first version. The second version, that the official version we're trying to get from the Ministry of External Affairs, confirmed there by Syed Akbaruddin, is the fact that there has been no contact established with the 40 workers there between the government agencies and them and the rescue teams as well. Now, this could be because of various reasons, and that's one of the reasons why the MEA, at least at this point, is not willing to confirm or not even willing to entertain the idea that they have been abducted. They are saying as of now that all these 40 people they've not been able to establish any kind of a contact with them over the last 2 to 3 days. Now, that's the official position. We're trying to get another version on this. We're waiting outside Ministry of External Affairs. We're waiting for the External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj. We're hoping that there will be some clarity in terms of what really happened to these 40 workers. Their families would be watching this, and of course there are a number of concerns around the whereabouts of these 40 workers.